Hey there, travelers. This is Camp and Cliff coming at you today with another fine product. Today, I have a step stool. Step stool can be used, I use it camping all the time. If it's something you just need in your trailer, you can't reach. My wife can use it because she's a little bit shorter than I am. And what's nice about this is this one has collapsible legs. This is something that some people need help up into a truck if it's lifted or higher than normal. Even though you have step stools, which this one has, mine right here, sometimes you need an extra step to get up there with people that are a little bit shorter or elderly. My mother-in-law uses this all the time, getting in my truck because it is so high. That extra little step makes a big difference. So I really like this product. As you can see, it's just a little bit, and then boom, here right in. It just helps with that extra little amount. It makes a big difference. So that's why I got this one. This is called Double Elite. And what's good about this, it has a handle, kind of a slip-proof top on it. The legs too are made so it doesn't slip like most. As you can see here, you just push in on the button and you can fold them down. Look at that. See how easy that is? And also the legs extend. Push in the button and you can extend the leg to whatever height you want. I have it on the lower one, because I didn't need too much on this on my truck. But you can put it up and down, and this thing is really nice because of that adjustment on it. So this is something I really recommend. Lightweight, you can fold the legs, put it in your truck under a seat of something, easy to handle. So definitely like the size of that. This is the box it came in. So if something you'd like, check the link below in the description for the product. And if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up, a like. I'd appreciate it. If you haven't already, subscribe. Happy trails.